Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to everybody. We are in my office and I received a package in the mail from the Pixel Game Squad on Encore. Now, if you are following the Pixel Game Squad and Encore in December, early December, they were going to do a giveaway for a Earthbound CIB, everything complete, including the book and the stickers and all that stuff. And went to click on the button to enter into the giveaway, and then I forgot about it. Then a couple of days afterwards, I noticed in my inbox for my email that a package was on the way from Encore. And I was like, I didn't order anything from Encore. So when I opened it up, it said Earthbound giveaway and tracking number. I won the giveaway from Encore from the Pixel Game Squad. So thank you very much. It was definitely really crazy. And I communicated with Pixel Game Squad because I was like, is this real? And they replied that yes, it was real. Congratulations. And the package will be going in the mail pretty soon. So now, package is here. It's taken a while because of the holidays. You know, we just had Christmas. We just had New Year's. This is now the 2nd of January and I'm in the office. And now we're gonna do an unboxing. So I went ahead and covered up all of the pertinent information. But you do see it says Pixel here, Rift Pixel. And there's my name. All address information is covered. So let's open the box and see what we got. Trying to be real careful here. I do not want to damage anything. So far, really well packaged. Oh. The anticipation is just killing me. All right, so here it's covered in bubble wrap with more packing material. For a giveaway, this is really well packaged, so I appreciate you guys for doing that. Okay, so let's see here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's real. Unbelievable. I never thought I would actually hold this in my hands in person, let alone it being mine for my game room. This is absolutely phenomenal. Earthbound, CIB. And if you notice this off to the side, this is my original Earthbound, which is pretty rough. I've had this for about 10 years now. It works. It's just that, yeah, it's a little bit. So this right here is gonna upgrade this right here, big time. But I do have this, and I have the release of the Earthbound Beginnings that was released a couple years ago as well. So it's going to be really nice to have the Earthbound collection. Now I'm going to do my best to try to do an unboxing, considering that there's a camera in front of my face. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. And if you notice here, $64.99 was the price way back in the day. And if we look in the back here, there's a sticker from Target, where it originally came from. At Target, we're committed to being a leader in community service. Good neighbor volunteers. So yeah, that's so this came from Target for $64.99, which is crazy. All right. I do also appreciate that they sent this in a protective sleeve. Rightly so. This is a very important game in the Super Nintendo's history. I don't even know which side to start. Here, let's carefully open this up and take a look. Oh yeah. Looks like we need to open it up on the other side. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh, I'm super careful on this one. Oh. So I guess we just gotta pull it completely out. There we go. Anything else in the box? Nope, it's empty. Okay, so we'll put this off to the side over here. And wow, the player's guide. And the scratch and sniff stickers are just barely hanging on after all these years. Oh wow, look at that. So it's still pretty much attached. It's just barely hanging on by a thread. This is outstanding. How amazing is this? Okay, so there's the player's guide with the scratch and sniff stickers still in the back. And then the game itself. How fresh that is. Well, compared to mine, look at that. Wow. This is truly amazing. I am very, very grateful for Pixel Game Squad and Encore for winning a truly one of a kind giveaway. Gonna put it back in its box, and we're gonna put it where it belongs, up on the gaming shelf for all to see. So what do you think? I have no words other than gratitude from Pixel Game Squad and also Encore for this amazing giveaway. And it has a new home in the RetroPez shelf for many years to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you like. Make sure you comment and subscribe and turn on notifications. We got more videos coming. Happy New Year 2025, and we will see you again